Is it worth upgrading to the new iPad Pro? I'm going to share with you all of the different reasons why I definitely think this new Apple product is worth the investment. Hi, my name is Lizzie Snow and I work under my artist name 40100. I create contemporary explorations of the mandala and fractal inspired artworks. I draw, paint murals internationally, release prints, products and collaborate with select brands around the world. Welcome to my YouTube. Click the mandala in the corner to subscribe to my channel as I upload art and art business videos every single week. The first point worth noting is that even the base model now comes with 128 gigabytes of storage. So that means you're not clearing things off. You can have all of the video, all of the photos, and all of your drawings, references, apps without having to reset your iPad and clear everything off to make room for your new project. Number two is that this iPad is smoother and more responsive. Of course, every model is, but this iPad really feels like a step up. Especially when drawing with the Apple Pencil, it's a very seamless experience. 4K filming is the third point. I love that this iPad has 4K filming. I use it as a second camera. I set the iPad and the iPhone up at different angles to film my drawing. It's also great when you just take the iPad out to have a proper camera for reference photos or whatever you need to take a photo of. The next point is also about the camera, which is that the ultra wide angle has been added. Obsessed is an understatement. It just looks so good. So I'll show you here taking a photo of the studio of the normal and the wide angle. There is the normal view of my studio. Sorry about the ring light and the reflection. And then here is the 0.5. You can just get so much more in. It looks amazing in film and in video too. The next point is that this new iPad has 5 Pro microphones. Definitely worth noting because this device can be used as an everything tool. So you can choose to just take your iPad out and it can do filming, vlogging at 4K, and then you can actually record straight into the device. The sound is crisp and clear and beautiful. I must point out here that the recording still isn't as good as a Rode mic or any other professional microphone, but it's definitely better than the last iPad and it's worth checking out for that reason. The next point is Face ID. Just being able to look at your iPad and unlock is so nice. It doesn't seem like a big deal. And maybe if you had the iPad just before this, you were used to that, but I had the original iPad with the home button. That was totally fine, but this just makes it even more efficient, and I didn't realize how significant this would be. I really love that about the new iPad. This next point is also more for those who had the first iPad Pros, is that the pen snaps on. Oh my goodness. And it charges. The original Apple Pencil I would often lose. I actually broke a couple because they're all loose, and then you'd have to charge them separately. There was nothing more annoying than sitting down to draw and your pencil was out of battery and you just had to take turns charging them both. So yeah, this is really a game changer. It is so nice that it snaps on and charges and it's always there for you. It's great. Oh, that also reminds me, I don't know about you, but my first Apple iPad Pro, the battery was shocking to say the least. Like, it would die as it was plugged in, even when it was a relatively new device. I don't think it was faulty. I just think it was like too high powered for its own good at the time. Whereas this iPad, it just seems to go and go and go. It's just how it should be, and it's definitely worth the upgrade for that. The next points are more kind of tech orientated. This new iPad has LiDAR technology, so it has like a light measuring scanner, which means that you can do things in AR. You can download apps and draw something onto something on the wall, so that when you view that wall through the camera, like this thing that you've drawn is on the object. You'll have to go check it out for yourself. Go on YouTube, look it up. It's just amazing technology. The future is here. There are 3 last points, so I'm going to kind of condense them into one. The new iPad Pros have 6 gigabytes of RAM, Wi-Fi 6, and an A12Z processor. So it's a seriously powerful device. They definitely took the Pro term seriously. This is an iPad for artists, creatives, photographers, videographers. It is seriously awesome, and I'm really, really pleased that I made the upgrade. I highly recommend it, and I know you won't be disappointed. Leave a comment below if you have any more questions. I am happy to help. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I upload a new video every single Wednesday all about art and art business. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.